Hey guys, welcome to another Funky Friday. Today I got a nice lick for you here in the key of D major, and this is kind of played over a 6/8 ballad feel. Okay, and I'm starting right up here around the 7th fret, kind of right in the position where your D major bar chord would be there, around the 5th to 7th fret area. And I'm starting right on the A note there at the 7th fret on the D string, and this is kind of would be kind of on, well, what you could consider beat 4, I guess, in a 6/8 feel. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. That's kind of where when you're starting it. And we're kind of doing triplets, 16th note triplets. Walking up from the A to the B to the D, the 5th, 6th, and the root in D. And sometimes I'll do that with my 3rd finger there. Other times I might do it with the pinky. Do whatever's comfortable for you. And then we're sliding into the F sharp, the major 3rd of D. Sliding up into that 3rd, then hitting the 4th, the G. And then slide back into the F sharp, the 3rd again. So far you'd have this. All equal notes. And then you're going to go back to the root, back to the A, down to the G, slide into the major 3rd, the F sharp down there at the 4th fret on the D string, ending on the root at the 7th fret on the G string, and that's it. So here it is, really slow. A little bit quicker now. Hey guys, just in case you didn't know, you can get access to every Funky Friday lick going all the way back to October 2017. So that's nearly 400 licks, all of them with Soundslice interactive tab as well. Make sure you check out the description below. Also, I really encourage you to kind of change things up a little bit, maybe try to place it in a little different area, or maybe even add a little bit of chromaticism. We'll just try different things, but the core of the lick is basically based around the area of your major chord, and you're kind of doing 5th, 6th root, 3rd to 4th, and then back down. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you next week.